Sitting at the feet of Jesus. Oh, what words I hear him say. Happy place, so near, so precious. May I find it there each day. Sitting at the feet of Jesus, I would look upon the past, for his love has been so gracious. He has won my heart at last. Sitting at the feet of Jesus, where can mortal be more blessed? There I lay my sins and sorrows, and when weary find sweet rest. Sitting at the feet of Jesus, there I love to weep and pray, while I from his fullness gather grace and comfort every day. Bless me, O my Savior, bless me, as I'm waiting at thy feet. Oh, look down in love upon me. Let me see thy face so sweet.